Emerson Actuation Quote Request. To submit a quote request or place order, go to Cart by selecting the cart icon on the top of the toolbar. Once you have products selected in your cart, select Checkout to place an order or select Request a Quote for further assistance. For this exercise, I will select Request a Quote. On the quote page, you can see all the products from the cart. You can change the shipping address using Change Address. Go to Customer Address Search. You can search by customer name and address. Select an address from the search results. Fill in the end user address. If end user is same as ship to, select Yes to copy the ship to address to end user address. Otherwise, select the end user address using the customer address search. Fill the appropriate standard industry classification. End use application. End use details and click on Request Quote. When you request a quote, you will receive a quote notification with the quote reference number and product details. The same notification is also emailed to the Actuation customer service team. You can also print the quote using Print Summary. Click on the quote reference to check the quote status in Quote History page. For any questions, please click on Send a Message to reach out to our customer service team, available 24/7.